Hi everyone, Little Woofy here, back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to be making an origami penguin, just like this. And if your pocket is big enough, this penguin can actually fit in your pocket, so he's a little pocket penguin. So for this origami penguin, you will need any color. Like you can do red. You can do a red sheet of paper like I did here, and then with a little white on the other side. So what you want to do first is take this little corner and fold it to the middle, just like this. Maybe like turn it like that, and then just like this, and then you can make your crease just like that. And then you want to do the exact same thing with the other flap. Wait. Okay. So now you want to take this flap and fold it over to the middle, just like you did with the other side. Just like that. Then now what you want to do is take these little flaps and fold them just like this. So it'll be kind of like a little flappity flap flap. Just like this. Just like this. Like that. Then make your crease up here. And then your model should look like this. Then you want to flip it on the other side. And then you want to take this top little point and kind of like fold it like this, just like that. And then you turn it over and take this other little point, fold it over to this little piece, this little side right here, where the beak was folded, just like that. That looks a little silly. So to fix that, we need to take this little point and make a crease just at here. So just like that. And then it should look just like this, with a little line right here. Wait, I think I did it backwards. I did it backwards. Okay. This happens. Okay, now it's good. So now what you want to do is take this little point and fold it kind of like under here, just like this, just like that, and that will be one of your wings of your penguin. Then you do the exact same thing on the other side. Just turn it over and do the exact same thing. Fold this little corner over to this side. You can use the other side to kind of like guide you on where to crease. So just like this. Then make your crease up here, and then your model should look just like this. And now what you want to do is take this little corner and fold it over here just at the bottom of this wing, and then make your crease. Then what you want to do is kind of difficult. So you take this little part right here, this little curve, and kind of push it up so it kind of goes into that little hole right here. And then your model should look just like this. And that is your little pocket penguin. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to hold down the wings and the beak, you could just tape this. And then if you want this to stay, you just tape that. Then you could tape the wings. Then you can have your very own pocket penguin. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Maybe in my next video I'll do a paper airplane or some kind of hat, maybe a fortune teller, I don't know. But let's get this video to like let's say 40 likes, and then I'll do another one. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Woof woof. Oh, I forgot where the button is again. Oh, right, it's up here.